Hey guys, on today's video I'm taking a look at buying V-Bucks. So let's go right into your last tab. It's going to tell you V-Bucks. And from here it's best to buy the maxed amount. So that's exactly what we're going to do. All you have to do is just confirm your purchase. I suggest using PayPal, it's just easier. And right here, you guys can see I have 10,000 V-Bucks, but it's going to go up in just a second. So we have to go back to game. As soon as we do that, it should refresh. And on the top, you guys can see that I have 24,000. How can I double check that? Well, if you guys go into the shop, you guys can just click on anything really. Let's say one of these guys. And on the top right hand side of my screen, you guys should be able to see that I have 24,000 V-Bucks. So that's it. And that's all for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.